Welcome to our channel. If you're looking for the ultimate way to power up your day, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 most powerful smoothies that are not only delicious, but packed with nutrients to supercharge your body. So, grab a glass and let's dive in. Green Detox Smoothie is the first item on the menu. This smoothie is ideal for bodily detoxification and is a digestive system powerhouse. Brimming with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, it tastes great with spinach, cucumber, green apple, and a touch of ginger. Spinach is rich in iron and vitamin K, which are essential for blood health. Cucumber hydrates and provides a refreshing base, while green apple adds a sweet and tangy flavor, boosting your vitamin C intake. The ginger not only adds a spicy kick, but also helps with digestion. Once everything is blended together, you have a nutrient-rich, detoxifying smoothie that is ideal for a morning cleansing. To a healthy beginning. Next on the list is the Berry Protein Power Smoothie. Whether you're hitting the gym or just need a protein-packed snack, this smoothie has you covered. We're combining mixed berries, Greek yogurt, almond milk, and a scoop of your favorite protein powder. Powerful antioxidants. Berries support healthy skin, strengthen the immune system, and combat free radical damage. Probiotics and protein, which are vital for digestive health, are found in abundance in Greek yogurt, which also contributes a creamy texture. This smoothie is dairy-free and has a light nutty taste thanks to the almond milk. This smoothie is not only delicious, but also keeps you full and energized throughout the day. It's perfect for breakfast or post-workout recovery. This smoothie is perfect for you if you are daydreaming of a tropical vacation. Vitamin C and other immune-supporting ingredients abound in the Tropical Immune Boost smoothie. Mango, pineapple, orange juice, and a sprinkling of turmeric are our ingredients. Mango and pineapple are both high in vitamin C, which is crucial for a strong immune system. They also add natural sweetness and a vibrant color to the smoothie. Orange juice provides an extra dose of vitamin C and a citrusy kick, while turmeric adds anti-inflammatory properties, making this smoothie a true health elixir. This smoothie is like sunshine in a glass, giving your immune system the boost it needs, especially during cold and flu season. A word of caution. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only. If you have concerns, talk to your doctor. They can advise you on the best screening methods for your individual situation, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are on medication. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification. Thank you for viewing. The Avocado Spinach Superfood Smoothie is the next item on the menu. This one is a veritable powerhouse, full of fiber, antioxidants, and good fats. Avocado, spinach, banana, and chia seeds are the main components. This smoothie is extremely delicious because avocado adds creamy smoothness and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Rich in vitamins A and C, spinach supports healthy skin and a robust immune system. The natural sweetness and potassium of bananas are complemented by the fiber and omega-3 fatty acids found in chia seeds. This smoothie is perfect for those who want to stay full and energized throughout the day. It's a meal in a glass. Last but not least, we have a smoothie that feels like a treat but is actually super healthy. The chocolate peanut butter smoothie is perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth while still packing in the nutrients. We're using bananas, cocoa powder, peanut butter, and almond milk. A healthy serving of potassium and natural sweetness are provided by bananas, and antioxidants and a rich chocolate flavor are obtained from cocoa powder. Because peanut butter provides protein and good fats, this smoothie is ideal for recovering from a workout or as a guilt-free treat. This smoothie is indulgent yet nourishing, a perfect balance of flavor and health benefits. It's the ultimate comfort smoothie. And there you have it, our top 5 most powerful smoothies. Whether you're looking to detox, boost your immune system, or satisfy your sweet cravings, there's a smoothie here for everyone. Which one are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more delicious and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Disclaimer. This publication serves purely as an informational resource and should not be construed as a substitute for professional medical advice. For health-related concerns, It is strongly recommended that individuals seek guidance from qualified healthcare professionals. While every effort has been made to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the information provided, the publisher bears no responsibility for errors or omissions.